Z Placer. The Easy Placer is a clever leap forward for concrete work. It's a self-propelled, remote-operated concrete placer and line dragger all in one, compact yet powerful. With a 27-foot boom reach and a 4-inch delivery pipe, it delivers concrete exactly where you need it, minimizing manual labor and reducing clutter in the finishing zone. Thanks to its 13-horsepower engine, all-wheel drive, and fully remote controls with manual backup, it's surprisingly easy to operate and transport for any contractor wanting speed, safety, and efficiency. EZ Placer feels like the future of concrete placement. MBT Stackbox. The MBT Stackbox is a simple but brilliant solution for creating openings in concrete slabs and walls. Think holes for wiring, plumbing, or ducts, without the usual mess and time delay. Its modular boxes, from 15 by 15 centimeters up to 50 by 50 centimeters, lock together easily and stay embedded in the concrete as it cures. Because you don't need to strip traditional wood or polystyrene formwork later, it saves labor and time. Best of all, once concrete sets, you simply remove the cover, pass installations through, and seal, which feels neat, efficient, and built for modern construction. Doka X-Lite. The Doka X-Lite brings a breath of fresh air to concrete work. At only 22.6 kilograms per main panel, 0.75 meters by 1.50 meters, a single worker can handle it. No crane required. Its aluminum-framed panels are light but incredibly durable, with a tough X-Life surface that stands up to repeated use. Because of its low weight, integrated handles, and modular versatility, walls, columns, slabs, Doka X-Lite helps speed up pours, reduce labor demands, and keep small or tricky job sites efficient. It feels like a simple yet powerful upgrade, small enough to manage by hand, strong enough for serious concrete work. SurePave. SurePave impresses as a smart, eco-friendly alternative to traditional concrete driveways. Its interlocking plastic panels, made from 100% recycled material, sit beneath gravel, grass, or decorative stone, and once filled, they turn a loose surface into a flat, stable, drainage-friendly pavement. Thanks to its strong cellular design and a weight capacity exceeding 700 tons per square meter, SurePave can comfortably support cars, trailers, or even heavier loads, while still letting rainwater naturally filter through. For anyone wanting a low-maintenance, durable driveway or parking area that blends with natural landscaping, SurePave feels like a clever, forward-looking solution. Silca Tempo. Silca Tempo dramatically changes masonry work. Using large lime sand blocks, the system lets crews build walls up to 4 to 6 times faster than with traditional small bricks. On some jobs, they raised whole floors in days that would otherwise take weeks. Beyond speed, Silca Tempo delivers strong technical performance, high load-bearing capacity, excellent acoustic insulation, and clean, uniform walls that require minimal finishing. For builders who value efficiency, structural strength, and quality, Silca Tempo feels like a modern solution built for today's construction demands. Grad Flat Rail. The Grad Flat Rail is a quietly brilliant solution for decking or cladding projects. It's a lightweight, slim aluminum rail, yet strong enough for stable support, that lets wood or composite boards clip on invisibly without screws or visible fasteners. Installation becomes much simpler and cleaner. Clips come pre-mounted, the rail can be cut to length, and each plank can be removed individually with a special key. Because the boards don't directly touch the rail, air circulates beneath and water drains properly, improving longevity and reducing rot or warping risk. For modern terraces, facades, or indoor-outdoor cladding, Grad Flat Rail feels like a smart, elegant upgrade over traditional screw-based boarding. Mule MZ100. The Mule MZ100 feels like a game-changer on the job site. This compact battery-powered lifter makes heavy materials, up to 100 pounds/45 kilograms, almost weightless, letting a single mason lift and place concrete blocks easily, even in tight or indoor spaces. With its 3-link arm, self-leveling system, and portability, fits through standard doorways. It simplifies block laying, cuts physical strain, and speeds up masonry work. For builders worried about manpower shortages or worker fatigue, the MZ100 delivers productivity and safety in one smart, ergonomic package. Doka X-Bot Lift. The Doka X-Bot Lift feels like the future of slab formwork on site. As a semi-automated robot, it lets you position floor form panels from the ground. No heavy lifting or dangerous overhead work. With sensor-guided fine positioning and automatic height adjustment, up to around 5.7 meters, it places panels quickly and precisely, even on uneven floors. This not only reduces physical strain on workers, but speeds up the whole formwork process, letting crews focus on higher skill tasks rather than repetitive labor. Zewo Milling Technology. Zewo seems more aligned with light-duty equipment, for example, small appliances or farming/greenhouse gear, rather than robust concrete or road milling used on construction sites. If you are expecting a concrete floor scarifier or road milling machine, Zewo likely won't meet those needs. For serious construction milling jobs, firms typically rely on purpose-built industrial milling or cold milling equipment that emphasizes high torque, precision, and durability. Perry Trio. Perry Trio feels like a builder's dream. Panels snap together with a single hand-operated coupler. No fuss, no mess, making setup and tear down fast and easy. With just a handful of standard panel sizes, you can handle everything from residential homes to large industrial buildings, whether walls or columns. And thanks to sturdy steel frames, torsional stable closed profiles, and a design built for repeated use, the system handles heavy concrete pressure while delivering smooth, even surfaces. For projects where speed, versatility, and quality matter, Perry Trio feels like a smart, reliable upgrade to traditional formwork. Titan Floor Aluminum Raised Floor. Titan Floor's aluminum raised floor feels like a smart foundation for the future. Made from high-strength, die-cast aluminum alloy, its panels are light yet incredibly sturdy, offering excellent load capacity while resisting corrosion, wear, and static. The system uses pedestals, stringers, and gasket-mounted panels, creating a hidden underfloor space ideal for cables, air ducts, or plumbing. And panels can be lifted for easy access. It's especially great for clean rooms, data centers, or modern offices needing tidy wiring and flexible maintenance. For anyone building high-tech labs or future-ready offices. Shook Isolink. Shook Isolink is a quietly powerful upgrade for modern facades. Using a glass fiber composite, called Combar, instead of metal anchors, it locks outer facade panels to insulated walls while drastically cutting thermal bridging. With thermal conductivity around 0.7 watts per meter Kelvin, far lower than stainless steel or aluminum, it helps walls stay energy efficient and reduces heating/cooling losses. Installation is straightforward, and because it's certified as a passive house component, architects and builders can design thinner, sleeker facades without sacrificing comfort or energy performance. For builders focused on energy efficiency, sustainability, and clean design, Shook Isolink feels like a next-gen solution that blends practicality with modern building standards. Actis Eolus HC. Eolus HC feels like a quietly brilliant breakthrough in building insulation. It combines reflective insulation with a built-in vapor barrier, so you get energy efficiency and air tightness in one go. Thanks to its patented triplex structure, multiple reflective films separated by air-trapping fibers, it delivers strong thermal resistance while staying lightweight and slim. Installation is noticeably easier and faster than traditional insulation. You lay it across the warm side of walls or roofs with self-adhesive laps sealing the joints. No tedious cutting between rafters. For anyone aiming for energy efficiency, indoor comfort, and a cleaner build site, Aeolus HC feels like a smart, future-ready choice.